In third
Hit him with the
place, we
soldier
have
boy.
Juliette Sebastien.
Patrick is inspecting.
Wayne Ramos, he's dropped the cube. Looked like he might have had a corner twist.
12.05. Max Park starting his solve, while Juliette Sebastian on the red stage is moving through F12 on PLL at 7 seconds. 9.999. And Max with a 9.19.
To Max now, he's just underway now. Just onto the last layer at about 7 seconds. And not quite sub 10, it's a 10.27.
And Juliette Sebastian with a 9.67. That is 2 sub 10s for Juliette Sebastian so far. The fourth solve. Juliette Sebastian, one of our front runners, moving very well. And that is a third sub 10 for Juliette Sebastian, 9.28.
Stone Cold Killer knows that ZBLL, does it to perfection, 9.28.
And a 9.08 for Dwayne Ramos.
Calling up finalists for 4x4. If you are please come to the backstage and submit your puzzle.
Yeah. Super début. 16e. C'est dernier.